Coach, may pala kami, yung Red Bull na balita namin na nag-reunion pala kayo. Kailan ba yun? Paano pa na-set?
Last night yun. 2 weeks ago, tinawagan ako ni Larry. Dumating daw si Celino from the States.
Okay.
So, might be a good time to gather yung team namin, yung Red Bull team noon. So, si Larry tsaka si Enrico naman ang parang nag-organize. Kinausap lang ako kung pwedeng i-host ko. Ayaw nilang gumastos, ako yung pinagastos nila. So, hinost ko naman, natutuwa naman ako makita ulit sila. No? Sayang lang, may mga wala eh. Si Mick kasi nasa siya, parang meron silang event sa motorcycle group niya na out of town sila. No? Meron silang parang hindi ko alam.
Biker. Hindi naman yung moto club.
Hindi naman. Meron silang biker event na parang road trip nila Parang Si Topex nasa Dubai, no? Si Jimwell nasa Cebu, no? But we were all in touch with them naman, no? During the preparations, no? Mahirap lang talagang gawan ng date na lahat available no? Tinuloy na rin namin kasi si Celino hindi naman magtatagal din dito. Saka kahit anong gawin mong date, meron talaga hindi makakarating. So tinuloy na lang namin. Pati yung mga wives nila nandun naman.
Kamusta naman, Coach, yung na-relieve, I'm sure nag-relieve kayo ng mga memories nyo during those times?
Oo, ganun lang. Yung kwentuhan, no? Yung mga experiences nila kasi very close yung team na yun no? It was like family, no? I think that was one of our strengths nung time na yon na wala talagang wala talagang gap between players and their families. There were no superstars kahit alam natin na yun sila Willie nandun, no? Pero we did not treat them as superstars. Sila Kirby, no? Pantay-pantay lang talaga, no? Yung mga experiences nila, natutunan nila after nung Red Bull team namin, napakinabangan nila, nadala nila sa mga ibang teams nila, no? And sabi ko nga, it's parang my personal satisfaction na we've been able to add value, no, to the players, no, even after the Red Bull days. Karamihan sa kanila napunta na ng ibang team, pero nag-improve yung mga kontrata nila, nag-improve mga laro nila, no, and to me that's yun nga, it's a great contribution, no, to their careers. And parang teacher ka na nakita mo yung estudyante mo umasenso, siyempre natutuwa ka. So sa akin, ganun lang ang